welcome to the channel. We're gonna do our first ever fire alarm system test. One, okay? So I'm just gonna. Okay, there you hold this. Okay, so okay. Okay. So guys, I will demonstrate. Okay, so guys, when it is pulled, this is the one that I'm using. When it is, my dad just set this up. Oh, that's his leg. And that's him. And okay. Okay. So this is the one I did. When it's pulled, it will show activated. On the inside, if you want to reset the fire alarm too, you could do that. You would just switch this up to normal. But when it's pulled, it will be down. So like that. Okay. So so each year, every January 1st in the morning before I go to school, I will just do a test. I need your help. I can't get this in. My dad will just do it. Okay. Okay. There you go, guys. Let's get this to 1K likes and we'll be back.
Okay, I gotta go check my email.
On January 2nd. Bye.